Food Pharma Functional Food Bars. Protein, energy, beauty, keto, and specialty. Functional food bars with incredible taste and nutrition. Manufactured using only whole food ingredients, providing enriched vitamins and minerals with unsurpassed taste and satisfaction. There are many functionalities available, including brain and bone health, calorie-restricted diets, weight control, and more. Food Pharma also offers many functional options for protein for our food bars. View our interactive video tour to see how our amazing functional food bars are made. You can find our interactive tour online under our resources menu. Food Pharma offers an easy-to-use quick launch option. Simply select one of our base options, functionalities, and other options to begin your functional food bar manufacturing project. To learn more, visit us online or give us a call.